Alright, now I know it's a crank sensor after diagnosing it. I finally found one in Little Rock, Arkansas at Rodney's Sickle Shack. Let's hop on the bike and go get it. Alright, we're back from Rodney's. Got the sensor. Let me show you how to put it on. Now you got to remove the filter to get the crank sensor out on Dyna's. Alright, get you a 3/16 ball Allen. It works best for me. Take the bolt out. And then just gotta wiggle it back and forth like so, and then you pull it out. All right, now go ahead and disconnect your connector right there. You'll get you some needle nose pliers. Reach in there on that plastic piece right there, pull that out. Now it's the black and red right there. It's going to be these two right here, and you can make you one. I made this one, but I've actually got the actual pin disconnector deals. But you're going to get your hand on them a little bit like that, and then you reach in there, and there's a little ear, a little tab, and you pop that tab and you pull that wire just like that, and then you pull it out and get the next one, pop it, pull it out, and you'll go ahead and you'll have to take your new one and you'll feed it through your conduit right here. All right, go ahead and remove the conduit that's on the wire, put it on the new one. Okay, now the next thing you want to do to make this job easy, because you're gonna have to fish it through this the larger conduit. You're gonna get you a piece of wire and get some tape. Get you some electrical tape, some fairly sticky stuff, and take the wire and tape it on there. That way you can slide that wire through the conduit, and you'll see me do it here in just a second, and you can pull it through a lot easier than trying to fish it by pushing it through. Alright, you see I put a little piece of tape here to keep the pins up against the wire, and we're going to feed it down through there. Get her started. A little snug in that first part. There we go. Alright, now we're going to put our pins in the connector, and the black one's in the center right there. Put the next one in. Make sure that they connect pretty good. Then you take your little piece, put it back in there, and you're good to go. Fish this through here. And then bolt her back up. Okay, now you want to get a little bit of oil on your finger. Make sure there's no metal or trash or anything. You put it on that O-ring. Put it down in there. I think you can sometimes be a pain in the butt. You have to use the bolt to help pull down. You want to push and tighten at the same time. Alright, put your new oil filter on, and you could use your old one, but I need a new one. I'm going to change the oil too. And if you like this video and what we're doing, and you like old bikes, I'm going to be restoring the 1950, putting out some content on it coming up. Alright, looks like it cranked. Taking it for a test drive. Make sure she's good to go. I'm ending it here. Headed on to the beer joint. Give me a beer. I'll see you on the next one.